And on that note, Flagstaff managed to avoid a wildfire today thanks to the efforts of the Flagstaff Fire Department. Captain Bill Morse of Flag Fire reports that a wildfire started this afternoon near the 1800 block of East Route 66 behind Albertsons. According to Captain Morse, local residents dumped ash from their fireplace into the woods while it was still hot, causing flames that reached up to 3 feet. The fire was reported to be very active, consuming grass and tumbleweeds, and was moving toward a residential area. Luckily, fire crews extinguished the blaze quickly before any homes were in danger. The residents faced no charges, and Flag Fire is using the incident as an educational opportunity. They ask residents getting rid of ash to put them in a metal trash can with an airtight lid for 2 weeks before disposing of them.